Just received this from Amazon. Shit is a food shopper. I went online specifically looking for a meat grinder. And this was cheap. It was only like 25 bucks. And so I ordered it. It looks like a normal food processor, but it says supposed to be good for meat grinding. That's what it was advertised on Amazon for, as a meat grinder. So I'm gonna try it later. The reason why I bought it is because I'm not so I don't feel that the meat bought, the ground meat that you buy at the supermarkets is healthy for you. I'm trying to gain weight. I don't like eating pork. Not just for religious things, but for like health benefits overall. I just feel like pork is not something that I should be eating or anybody should be eating. Parasites, bacteria, because the stuff that they eat is just basically trash. They basically eat trash, so it's not something that I would want to. Why would I want to eat something that eats garbage? Doesn't make any sense. So if I can eliminate the pork from my diet, or the pork from the ground beef, that already is a win. So my game plan is to buy the cheap meat that's like $4 or $5 a pound. London broil or whatever it is, the cheap stuff, or the one that's already on sale, the ones that are like they're trying to get rid of. I can just buy those meats. One is very cheap, buy 2 or 3 of them, freeze the other 2, and then just what do you call it? Use my meat grinder to grind up my meat while I'm trying to gain weight. Wow, these are sharp. Careful you don't cut yourself. Well, it looks pretty straightforward in how to use. These aren't really numbered. Oh, that goes in the middle. I see. No, it doesn't. Yeah, I wanted to make my own ground meats. So I'm buying, if this isn't no good, I'll let you guys know a little bit later when I leave the gym and I buy the meat. If it doesn't do that, if it doesn't work well, then I'm just gonna buy a meat grinder. This looks like it's supposed to be easier to clean. That's another plus to this. So let's see. Hopefully it is. If it's not, then oh well. But they gave you 2 sets of blades. That's pretty cool. So I can see this in the box for when this one starts to get dull. I have knife sharpeners, so I can sharpen this anyway. This goes in here, like so. Not entirely sure what this is for. I think it's the next one to this. Instructions. G. It's a non-slip mat. I see. Where'd I put it? Right here. Oh, I see. Cool. You just keep this on the bottom. Try to place this center. Non-slip nut. Put this on top. Put this on the top. Then you plug it in and on, off, on, off. And it's supposed to chop everything up. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting ground beef with onions. Onions supposed to be good for testosterone. And I'll let you guys know later on when I buy the meat how it is. Oh, this one is for the ground beef. This is for like if you're chopping up. So they give you 2 different sets. So this one I'll probably write or just like keep this for like fruits and vegetables. And then this set of knives would be, blades would be for the ground beef. And this is the pan for the ground beef. And it gives you another non-slip mat. Cool. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, it's cut up. Now let's see how the grinder works. So 1 is slower. 2, higher. Just stop. Plug it. Let's take a look. Oh wow, it actually looks like ground beef already. That was fast. Let me take the top off. Stop crushing this. I don't know if you guys can see the consistency, but it really looks like ground beef. I may do one more for you guys. Take a look. If that's not ground beef, I don't know what is. Beautiful job. Now I have real ground meat, not ground meat and pork or ground meat fillers with pork. I have actual ground meat that's healthy, less fat, and it's gonna help me bulk up for the season. I'm keeping this. Comes with 2 blades, 2 bowls, 2 sets of blades and 2 bowls. And the non-stick works absolutely great. Don't move at all. So I had to force that to happen. This works great. And the cleanup is easy. Clean the bowl, clean this. This doesn't really get dirty, and you're good to go. Highly recommend this. Highly recommend you guys buy this. I'll post a link on my account. I don't make any money off of this. I paid for these things. And instead of paying $70, $80 for a big grinder, which is, I hear things of like oil and grease from the grinder going into the meat and this and that. And then the cleanup is like crazy. This is like a win-win. It's so much easier. You just clean the bowl, clean the blade, 1, 2. It's like cleaning a blender, the exact same thing. So highly recommend this. 25 bucks, Amazon, same day shipping, or if you order a little bit later, next day shipping. It's an amazing deal. All right, guys. Cooking up just like ground beef. I could have made patties out of this. This is ground beef. Just much healthier in every way.